So, my name is Johan. I work for a non-profit organization in the Netherlands. We have worked with step-in solutions for quite some time now, and we are very happy with our cooperation. Step-in solution helps us to integrate our software systems with other software systems. Basically, we analyze a lot of data, and to gain really good insights or to make our processes more efficient, we need to have our systems connected. So we have our websites, our CRM, we have our emailing platform, and much more. And Step-in Solutions helps us to integrate those in a good and efficient manner, so we can make better decisions. One of our challenges was to create an integration between our content management system for our website and our emailing platform, which is Engage. There were no existing integrations or modules on the market, and what you'll often see is when you need to create a custom integration, it can be a lengthy process, it can be expensive, or maybe it doesn't work well, it's unreliable. So that's why we asked Step-in Solutions to do it for us, and they created a perfect integration which now allows us to see exactly how many for example, how many new names we are capturing each month. And that's a very important metric for us to know, because we are a non-profit and we are dependent on donations from normal people. So we want to spend that money that we receive very efficient. So when advertising, we want to know how many did we spend and how much did it return. So how many new names, new supporters did we actually add to our database. And it's very important to know if they are truly new names which are not in our database yet. Well, that is one metric that we now have the answers to. We have the data. Step-in Solutions created the integration with our CMS, so it works really well, and now we have the data we need. As we are based in the Netherlands, Step-in India, we constantly have meetings over Skype. How did Step-in handle this process for you? Well, in this project, in creating these integrations between our websites and our emailing platform, we just had regular Skype meetings in which Step-in clearly asked for us to, make a list of the requirements. What do we actually need? And so Step-in would build it for us, and we have a new meeting planned to just walk through the new functionality that has been developed. We test it live with Step-in and us testing the functionality live and see if it really does what was promised. And so most of the times it does. Sometimes there are some small things to be fixed, which are then fixed very fast. So that's how the process basically goes. Now, what I said is, for us it's so important to have the correct data so we can make the correct decisions. So the integrations that Step-in is creating for us, or has created for us, are very valuable. They do save us money because, for example, because of the integration that they created, we now know exactly what the return on investment is from our online advertising. because we attract people to our website. They will subscribe, they will opt in, and with the integration that StepIn made, we now know exactly how many people, and are they already new, are they already on our email list, yes or no. And that's truly important, because then we can make sure we can target only those groups of people who are most likely to contain new supporters that we haven't added to our database yet. And otherwise, if we wouldn't have that data, we would just be targeting a lot of people and not knowing, do they already exist on our email list, yes or no. So, and we would just waste money. And as I said before, we are a non-profit organization. We are dependent solely on donations. So it's really important for us to, when we spend $1, that we are sure it is spent as efficient as possible. I would recommend StepIn solutions to any company or any organization that wants to make data-driven decisions, and who needs a technical partner to help them, like simply said, connecting the dots, right? But besides of that, they are not only a development company that helps you connect the dots, connect several systems through APIs, but they are actually also a consulting firm. So they are able to not only create what you want, but they also have the expertise and the experience and the knowledge to help you creating the right decisions, like what platform to use, what integrations to build, what are the downsides of choosing for a certain platform or tool, or choosing a certain implementation method. They will be there for you to explain to you what is the best option, what does it cost, and they are also very transparent about their hourly rates, how many time it will take, and if they approach the budget that you've set, they will contact you, and they will let you know that they need more budget, more time, or most of the times they deliver the work within budget and within time. So I would surely recommend StepIn solutions to any organization that needs data-driven solutions, and who wants a partner who can consult them on what tools, platforms to use to grow their business or organization or non-profit, whatever it may be.